Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Well guys, as you saw in the caption, today's video is going to be the winner announcement for my 1,000 subscribers giveaway. And yes guys, today is that day. Today is December the 4th, Saturday, December the 4th, 2021. And the contest, as I said, is not sponsored by YouTube in no way, shape, or form. And the way to qualify for this contest was you had to be a subscriber and you had to make a comment in my last video, which you see here, what you like, which one of my current or past videos that you like and why you like it. And then you share it, and that was it. So guys, well, nobody really, as far as I know, nobody shared the video, and but I do have comments. So based on the 4 people who did comment, I have names in a bag, and I am just going to pick a name out of this bag, guys. So yes, let me get a drum roll, please, while I do this. Take it up again and pull out a name. And who do I have? Rosemary Wilson. Well, it looks backwards on here, but Rosemary Wilson, girl, yes, you have won the giveaway prize for this contest, which will be, or which is, one of those beautiful sconces at your choice, and also a $50 Visa gift card. And that is my appreciation for you being a subscriber, and yeah, and commenting, making your comments on my videos as I have gone along on this journey. And guys, I appreciate you all. I really do. I really appreciate you. I thank you guys so much, because I wouldn't have made it this far without you. And I must be doing something okay or something right, because I do have 1,000 subscribers. Actually, at this point, I have 1,070 subscribers. So, thank you guys so much. And Rosemary Wilson, girl, make sure that you reach out to me so that you can claim your giveaway prize. All right, guys. And my next video, what do I have for my next video? I do have another video coming up for you guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are here right now, hit that subscribe button so that next time I come up with the next video, you will know. Once you hit that subscribe button, then you tap that notification bell. Also, guys, share this video so that others can be inspired to subscribe to my channel and be ready for my next giveaway, which will be at the 2,000 subscriber mark. So every time I hit a milestone in my subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, guys. Woo, yes, and I'm having a hot flash. You know, I haven't done that, haven't showed y'all that in a long time, but I'm trying to get this video out there today. And guys, again, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Hit that notification bell so that you can hear and see my next videos. Also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you think about this video and my contest. And share, guys. Share my videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Congratulations, Rosemary. Bye-bye.